When we talk about innovation at Landaal Packaging, we talk about everything we touch.
That means not taking a passive stance. It means going out there and being at the forefront.
We're here to service our customers the best we can and provide them innovation, provide them creativity, provide them the best product, quality, and service that we possibly can. The box business has always had a good carbon footprint. We've always been environmentally sensitive, environmentally conscious. The amount of corrugated that is recycled is fastly approaching the 80–85% mark, which is very good. So our industry in itself is somewhat of a green technology. So that's not new to us. But what we're doing is we're taking a look at sustainability. What is our sustainability goals, not only as a company, but as an industry? What should they be? And I think they really revolve around three things: social responsibility, environmental responsibility, and economic responsibility. And so the sustainability goals that we're developing for our organization revolve around those three things.
Well, one of the key issues that when customers are looking for green alternatives is that they have to be able to compare it against what they're doing. And one of the nice things about green cell foam is it compares very nicely in every single indice as compared to the oil-based materials. The two key metrics out there have to do with greenhouse gas emissions and with energy consumption. You need a lot of energy to produce these items. Green cell takes 70% less energy to produce than oil-based plastics. It also generates 80% less greenhouse gases than these other materials. So there is a true metric that these companies can look at, and they can use this in their marketing to talk to their customers about how this material really does do a better job for the environment.
The other one that we have now in the marketplace is an industrial application of wine in the box. We have bag in the box that comes currently in 10, 13, 15, and 20 liter boxes. Some of the great features about this is it uses 66% less resin than a rigid container of the same size. You can recycle 15 or 20 of the bags in a single container rather than having 15 or 16 10-liter bottles to dispose of properly.
How revolutionary is this Reneke fiber?
It changes the world. Yeah. We're just on the edge of developing the technology, but when I first got into this, I was looking at the ability to take fiber that was actually being recycled to a level that was a grade less, always a grade less, always a grade less. So every time that fiber was recycled, it was being degraded and degraded. And we have a process that is neutral. It's neutral to the water, it's neutral to the paper processes, it's neutral to equipment. It is very neutral. So I recognized that I could take fiber, pull it apart, and make it usable again without destroying, without degrading that fiber to a lesser grade. It changes the way we get up in the morning. You know, we don't have to wreck the world and accept it.